This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, June 22nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, and any storm system that's hung up across the area, like we have one right now, is going to stick around for a day or two, and you can see some showers and thunderstorms possible across the state. We'll see some sunshine today, with most of these storms being in the afternoon into the evening. Highs today will be mainly in the 80s across the state, with heat indices at least nearing 90. Monday, we have some showers and thunderstorms, mainly in our eastern counties, or at least the eastern half of the state. The rest of the state will see, well, some sunshine. Highs a little cooler, upper 70s to middle 80s. Tuesday will be the driest day of the next 7. Partly to mostly sunny skies. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but it'll be very widely spaced. Highs in the upper 70s to low and middle 80s. Wednesday, here comes another storm coming in, and you guessed it, more showers and thunderstorms possible at this point. Could see some decent amounts of rain all through this period. Could lead to possible flash flooding, longer duration river flooding. You can see that here Thursday, showers and thunderstorms around. We will see sunshine. It won't be all day rains by any means, so sunshine will boost temperatures at least into the 80s. Even here on Friday, you can see the shower chances do dwindle a little bit, so maybe a 20 to 30% crack here on Friday, with readings mainly in the upper 70s to lower to middle 80s. Heading into the weekend, you can see more showers and thunderstorms possible again. Still, it's not a whole day rain, and chances are about 20 to 30% at that, with readings as mentioned in the 80s or so. You can see here by next Sunday, trough digging in into the west, a ridge over the southern plains into the Mississippi River Valley, trying to pump up over the state. But with this trough southwesterly flow, you can see the rain still in and around the state, mainly in the eastern counties and then to our north and east at this point. So we could dry out by next weekend and into the week after that. Going into that week after that, July the 3rd, a ridge is forming over the plains in the southwest, starting to nose into the state at this point. Main storm track across the northwest and the northern tier of the country, and will be close enough that we could get some showers and storms with some frontal systems and disturbances coming in from the north and west. For example, here looks like a system bringing maybe some showers and storms at that point. Then at the end of the forecast here on July the 7th, a big ridge over the eastern 2/3 of the country, in fact, possibly 3/4 of the country. Main storm track well into the Canada. And with this heat ridge around, that's going to keep temperatures warm, sunny, maybe a popcorn storm in the afternoon, but don't count on it. Highs, if this is to be correct, would be in the 90s. Heat indices, depending on humidity, could be at or over 100. Satellite image from last evening, we had some showers and thunderstorms across the plain states with the storm system moving in. We had some storms coming in on the subtropical jet stream over the south and into the Carolinas, and fairly quiet elsewhere. The watch warning map from last evening, we had a flood watch in the Dakotas into western Minnesota, a severe thunderstorm watch nearing expiration in South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, some flooding in Iowa, elsewhere fairly quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts across the state could be anywhere between 1 and 2 inches. Some areas may get more, some areas may get less. Heaviest would be across the central and southern plains.